Keep quiet.
I came to deliver my goods. No. My destiny is on my head. Sister, please. Be quiet. Jesus. Hey, no, Jesus. Please.
Come like this. What is my sister on the bed?
Please, it's a mistake. I'm not
Lie down.
No, please, sir, please. Be quiet.
Lie down. Shut up your mouth. Keep quiet. Shut up your mouth. Keep quiet. What's your name? What do you do for a living?
I sell cosmetics, so I
sell
sell shoes, I sell things all
on that thing for one time. You say what?
Shoes.
Why are you here?
I came to deliver things. Home delivery.
You have to do what?
I came to deliver my goods to my customer.
Are you delivering in the bedroom? How come you enter the bedroom?
After the delivery, he said he likes me. And this is what
okay, you do hookup plus delivery.
It's not like that though.
Do you do hookup plus delivery?
Small hookup is small hookup.
Oh, they have small hookup. Small hookup plus delivery. Come closer. Come closer. There is no amount of shout. I can't hear you. This is a secret temple. Shut up about. Zumba lela zumba lelua.
Angels though.
Zumba lela. Angel will kill you. Angel will kill you. When you are coming for hookup, you don't know. Angel will kill you.
Small hookup,
small hookup.
My bros.
I'm the
only child of my mother.
Paramus de Jela Kaya. I don't want to be a son of a Forgive me.
I want for.
Oh, you're not one for. That's for one for you. Don't blame me. I need you to take that off your head now.
Because my destiny is on my head.
You have destiny?
I have destiny.
Where is it?
My destiny is bright.
It's what?
It's bright. My destiny is bright. Oh God, please.
Wait.
Your destiny is bright.
You said destiny is bright.
You said
destiny is bright. Destiny is bright. I saw the get bright destiny. Shut up, Emma! Shut up!
That's not who come up here and shout.
You shout again, I will kill you. Shut up. Sit down. Sit proper.
Sit where?
Can't you sit down?
You don't do that.
I said the God.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Come here. Sit down here.
Okay, sir.
Sit down.
Please.
Are you ready to change?
Oh, yes, sir. We need to use this girl.
No. Pardon.
Please, I have star on my head. Please.
He said yes, sir.
On the light. This girl go crazy, so she will talk about this girl. On the light. Come closer here. Come closer.
I will go, please.
The truth is that.
After me. Repeat after me. Almighty Lord. As I give you my soul.
I give you my
I will
soul.
not do hookup again.
I will never do hookup again.
Forgive me my sin.
Forgive me.
Amen.
Amen.
So today your name is Sister Annie Good.
Amen.
It's okay. Calm down. Let me sleep. Calm down. Stop now. You like this? That Japanese sister video. Calm down. The truth is that it's a prank video. Cameras are everywhere. What you do now?
It's a prank video.
It's a prank video. You say you do. You sell weird. How come you from weird now you don't enter the bedroom? You are not contented with the gain you are gaining from the shoes and perfume you are selling online.
I will be contented.
Before you are not contented before. You are looking for sharp money. Who is pressuring you? How old are you? 24. Who is pressuring you?
Where is the country?
Camera, please come close.
The country is not helping us.
Shut up your mouth, you are talking rubbish. Country is not helping you. Did you help yourself? Lazy you. Come closer. You are a student. Who knew you were coming here?
Only my friend.
Only your friend.
Exactly.
What if, let's take prevention that we are real ritualists. what would you have said to your mom? What would happen? How would your mom and your dad feel to see your body part or to see you lifeless on the road without your vital private part? How would they feel? You see the reason why ritualists keep increasing every day. Because people like when I know they hear what they won't sit one place. You are visiting somebody you don't know just because the person chatted you online. Now you claim you're selling what? Cosmetics and shoe, right? Yes. And the guy asks you to bring it for delivery. Don't they have delivery man? Don't you have delivery man?
More money.
More money.
I will teach something you are still shouting more money. Huh? Is he not paying you for the shoe? He's going to pay you. Then why are you looking for more extra money? You are not contented with what you're doing. And so I said this, I'm seeing you online, see you on WhatsApp. They don't give us here what online.
Yes, sir.
Order, place your order. Choke me with order. I'm still taking order. Now the order is this. Be contented with what you have. Work. Go to school. Work on it. You can't be all this looking for a way to go. Can you imagine? What if you are real ritualists now? You would have get yourself beheaded. And that's how you lose your life for nothing. How much be issue?
35,000.
Is it 35,000?
Yes.
Give her money.
Thank you.
I just make you this. Sawagon, if you greet me, thank you, I'll not kill this thing. Go home, look for a Bible believing church. Go and give your life to Christ.
So can I start?
What am I doing for you?
Actually, this is the sum of 100,000 naira. Just take it.
I said that.
Where should take out?
I don't.
Where should take out?
Wait,
200,000. Just take
can't
it.
be going like that, though.
Take it.
Take the money.
No, take it. It's from me. Take it. But don't do it again. Focus on your business.
The moment I busted up, was when you speak Igbo, I'm on one video.
I swear, it's a work for.
That's not.
Just
take.
Take. Don't worry. Take it. There's nothing happening. Just take it.
Thank you, sir.
Go and change your this thing.
It's a prank video.
Okay? I'm waiting to tell them.
Guys, please just
go back
share.
let my guy talk.
Don't. Guys, please just like, comment, and share this video. I don't have
share, like, comment.
I don't
share
have much to say.
Let this be a warning to other girls there. There are many girls doing this thing. Many girls like are doing this thing online. They will post choke me with others. I'm taking others. I'm sending it. Nothing where they know they sell. They don't get shop. They sell everything. This is what they do as side hustle.